everybody should be on one side or the other. There are some members of PANDEF that, if you like, can be termed favorites of Wike, and there are those that could be termed favorites of the governor. And if any one of them speaks, not as PANDEF, but as the person, he now uses that to condemn PANDEF, that I think is wrong. It's illogical. So I think I'd like to point that out. And I want to tell you that I've been in this Abuja from the time it was being designed, when we were working from Suleja. That was the camp. And I know this Abuja very well. I was very pleased that a minister from my zone, for the first time, had been appointed. And I was really looking forward to working with Minister Wike, because he came with a statement that some distortions, he has observed some distortions in the master plan, and I'm aware of those distortions, and I was prepared to point them out to him, but sadly, I have not been able to secure an appointment to... Nobody hears about it anymore, and that's what we thought would happen here. So we have written at least 2 letters to Wike asking for audience because we thought it was proper that we should meet with him, because on the other hand, we have met twice also with the governor, and the last time came almost as a challenge thrown to us, the committee, by those we know his very close friends and people that he listens to. They said to us, and they were very specific, go to Governor Fubara and tell him you want him to meet with Wike. If he agrees, come back, we will arrange for you to meet with Wike. It was a challenge. We went to Governor Fubara, and believe me, without hesitation, he said, if PANDEF invites me to a meeting with Wike, I will gladly come. That he said. And we conveyed this back to the minister and to those friends of his that have thrown us the challenge, and they say, in that case, we are working on it. So they're still working on it. It has not been possible for us to meet with. And out of respect, we thought we don't want to bring the 2 of them together without talking to him. He's the elder to the governor. So we want to give him that respect, talk to him, and just hear his own side of the story, so that when we bring the 2 of them together, the meeting will be easier and a lot more productive. Apart from the letters, I have sent messages, WhatsApp messages, text messages to the minister and to some of his close allies. Say, please, convince him of the need. I said, we are not talking here about Fubara, we are talking about Rivers State. The peace in Rivers State, so that the governor can function and everybody can be satisfied. And there will be no, as I put in my speech, there will be no cooperation, whatever, from the minister. He has not given us audience, and has made our work very, very difficult. And that's why I said, the president said, go back and continue. But we can't continue talking to one side only. And that's why the intervention now that we need from Mr. President is to convince his minister that it makes sense for him to meet, first of all, with the PANDEF committee, and then later, if he wants to, believe me, it would be very good if he can organize that the 2 of them be brought together with the PANDEF committee to discuss the River State and come to an understanding. We are
newspaper headlines after the visit, and all focus on the issue of go and, I believe, a rule of law. The president, as I said, saw the candor, the caliber of very senior Nigerians from the South region, from every other state, apart from Rivers State, many of whom he knows. Mind you, President has been in the space for a long time, and he connected with them and said, thank you for the work you are doing. Go and continue making peace. Because they briefed him that we are reaching the 2, so I said, go and continue. So I think it's not exclusively to say only to Fubara. President also said, go and continue the peace effort. I think that point should be emphasized. The last question with respect to the minister insinuating that PANDEF there was financial thing also, that is very tricky. Because I've said earlier, when you have a gathering of former governors, former ministers, chairman of Traditional Rulers Council, some of whom have been themselves former governors and former it was totally out of question. Wike himself Wike himself, the minister, I've used the word over and over, is our son. Every son of Niger Delta is part of PANDEF. Let me tell you, when Nyesom Wike, the minister, became minister, and you'll all recall that there were some insinuations that somebody from the south should not be minister of the FCT. And there were even demonstrations in Abuja against the honorable minister of FCT. It was the same PANDEF that came out to rebuff other Nigerians. And the same chief clerk that he waved hand and said, even the clerk, was the one that issued a statement and said that every Nigerian can hold any position if the president finds him worthy and the Senate clears him. That press statement is there, we can pull it out. After that, Nyesom Wike, the minister of the FCT, our son, received a delegation from PANDEF in his office in appreciation of his people standing by him. So if after now some time he feels that it is a worst organization, well, it is maybe times have changed. There was no time that PANDEF took Mr. President to court. So maybe it was a slip of tongue. Maybe it was a slip of tongue. It never happened. PANDEF, this is the first time that PANDEF as an organization is making a public statement on this situation in Rivers State.